In primetime news tonight, tributes pour in following the passing of former Prime Minister Edward Seaga.
He served this country for most of his life. He was in this parliament for over 40 years.
I admired his strength. I admired the things that he would continue to say and do.
Eddie, walk good, we love you. And we will always ensure that your legacy live on.
And reactions from Western Kingston, the constituency he represented for over 40 years.
I don't feel like my dad cry. Believe me when I tell you, sir. I love that man here.
Good evening and welcome to a special edition of Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, there are more calls this evening for investors to get into the real estate business. And get this, the Realtors Association of Jamaica says housing developments in Jamaica are mostly undervalued. We'll look into that further later in the business day.
And from Herman, we go to Spencer Darlington. What's happening in sports?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, as expected, coverage of Mr. Seaga's passing will dominate the package. He was a well-known sports administrator. We'll hear from several members of that fraternity.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking you to share your memories of former Prime Minister Edward Seaga.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. This special edition of Primetime News returns right after this break.